morning, Falcons.
Today is Tuesday, November 5th. Please stand for the flag salute. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Well, hi. How you doing, everyone? It was a beautiful, I forgot the day. Tuesday morning. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning. Hopefully you're having a fantastic day. I know we are. Started this day off looking at the camera and saying, you know what? It's going to be a good day today. So let's begin with academics. Class package holders, don't forget your November payment is due the 1st, which has already passed, I believe. So please, if you want to get your payments in, get them in ASAP. Also, pictures are in the student store, so you must have your ID to pick them up. Football, tennis, volleyball, cheer, cross country, underclassmen, and homecoming pictures, they are all in. So remember, student store, bring your ID.
All right, guys. Representatives from Claremont Graduate University will be here tomorrow. They will be looking for students that are interested in participating in the study of regarding healthy eating habits. The study is for 14 to 17-year-olds. They will be passing out flyers and inviting students to participate. Families participating in the study have an opportunity to receive up to $125 to compensate them for their time. If you are interested, look out for the Claremont Graduate University representatives at break and lunch tomorrow.
Alright guys, don't forget there's an ICC meeting Thursday in room 605 at lunch, so any clubs, make sure you send a representative.
Now on to athletics. Frosh Soft Football, listen up. Your team picture day is tomorrow at 3:45 p.m. on the field. So if you need pricing info, go to the activities office so you have the money ready by the picture.
Alright guys, come out and support your fellow Falcon athletes at the following events. Today we have volleyball versus Ganesha home at 3:15, 4:15, and 5:15. I want to send much love to our Lady Falcons. You guys got this. We also have girls tennis versus Marantha away at Occidental. That would be at 2.
Wednesday we have cross country away at Scabarran Park at 2. And Thursday, we have Frosh Soft Football away at Ganesha at 3:15.
I broke the mortal sin of cameras. I cannot point. I apologize. On Friday, we have varsity football versus Ganesha home at 7. And on Saturday, we have girls basketball fall league home at 9 a.m. And it will be ending at 5. All right, everyone. And that will be it for the broadcast today. Hopefully, you keep it a fantastic day. We're not going to have any more chocolate bar mishaps. So, for Falcon TV, I'm Isaiah.
I'm Yaneli.
You stay classy.